bandsaw. Students will be using this for all the cutting they'll be doing. While these students are using the bandsaw, you never want to open this. This is the wheel in which the blade rotates. The second part of the bandsaw is the adjustment, where you can increase the blade's width or height. And this is a push stick, so students' hands are not so close to the blade, and will reduce hit. Cord. Go. Alright, so this is the guard for the bandsaw, which you can adjust. And this is, cut your fingers off when you're cutting cords. This is what starts and stops the machine. This red button does it all, so that way whenever they want. Okay, before you start cutting, you want to make sure that the guard and your piece are a few millimeters apart. And when you are cutting, make sure that your hands are 10 centimeters or more apart from the actual blade. So this is the motor that starts the bandsaws on the outside. This bag collects all the debris that all the students cut up, so it will not be messy inside the workshop. And here is the button to turn on both the bandsaws outside.
Okay, so before you go and use the cutter workpiece on the bandsaw, you want to make relief cuts first. So I'm going to show you what relief cuts are, because relief cuts makes it more accurate and it's a lot easier to cut it once you do that. So you're going to make relief cuts over here. So pretty much it's getting rid of most of the space without actually going into the curve, so at the end you'll have very little space to cut, making it a lot more easier for you. Okay, so when you're using this really small workpiece, you don't want to use your hand while you're pushing it towards the blade, because you might cut it. So you're going to be using this instead, the push stick. What you're going to do with it is, whatever side you're cutting, if you're cutting here, you're going to use your hand over here, and instead of using your other hand over here, you're going to use your push stick to push it. It's a lot more safer, and you can still cut accurately with it. Your goggles. Here I'm going to